What do you think? Look up here. You gonna laugh for Daddy, huh? Are you gonna talk for Daddy while we change your poo-poo pants? Huh? Yeah. Are you gonna smile? Oh, yeah, they're smiling. You made a mess in your drawers, didn't you? Oh, it's all the way up your back. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You're good and sloppy, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, let's get this out of the way. Okay, we're good. You're good and clean. Yes, you are. Oh, are you talking? Yeah. Good girl. Oh, we're running out of tape, huh? Yeah. Keep talking. Tell Daddy a story. Why don't you tell Daddy a story while I'm changing your diaper? Huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What else? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You keep that up, little one. Yeah. Yes, you tickle you. Yeah. Tell me more. Oh. Good girl. Yeah. Good girl. Daddy's gonna tickle you smiling. Oh, yeah, look at you smiling. Oh, are you laughing? Oh, is Daddy getting your tickler spot? Oh, yeah. Yeah, he is. He's tickling you, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Tell us about it. Huh? Yeah. Tell us about it, huh? Say bye-bye for us. Yes. Say bye-bye.